everybody, guess what? It is time for a weekly update of my basement. Now, I am starting to get burnt out on doing this. Haven't really been doing very much all week. I've been busy, so I haven't been doing that. But I am starting to get burnt out on cleaning the basement. Now, I'm not trying to do this all at once. I'm just kind of doing it at my own time. Like I said, I've said this in every video, I'm giving myself 3 months to do this. I'm at the point right now where I just need to take a break from the basement and actually start working on my baby's room. So I don't know what I'm going to do, but I think next week I will still show you guys an updated video of the basement. I'm going to do that weekly, but I think instead of making this like a basement cleanup tour, I'm just going to kind of do this as a house cleanup tour. Because the room that we have, her room, I've just put tons of crap in there. It's like where all of our Christmas stuff goes, like Christmas wrapping paper and stuff, all the excess toys that I've gotten for Ben. I've got just, that room is just full of mostly toys. His clothes that no longer fit him, crap I need to get rid of, my wedding dress is in there. Just stuff I want to get rid of. So in the next video I'm going to kind of show you guys some of the basement stuff, like if I do anything to it, but I'm also going to start showing you guys her room. So we're going to start working on her room so I can show you guys an updated video. I just ordered stuff to put on the walls for her room, so I just need to pick out a color of the wall. So we're going to start cleaning the room. My mom's coming I think next weekend to help me. And so we're going to start working that. So I'll give you guys a tour next week of what the room is. And I'm sorry, but I'm not a hoarder, you guys. I'm not. I'm just a person who buys stuff because it's on sale. That's my problem. I buy it. Oh, I'll use it. I use it. And just because it's on sale doesn't mean I need it. So as you guys can see, I'm cutting back on a lot of stuff lately because I don't need it. I'm trying to avoid shopping, and I'll do my couponing. I'm okay with the couponing stuff because that stuff I can get rid of super easily. I mean, I can just donate it all, get rid of it, but it's stuff. Like, I'm avoiding to go shopping, I'm avoiding to go Dollar Tree. I'm also cutting back on grocery shopping because I just let it go to waste. So I'm trying to not to be frugal this year. I'm just trying to be more easygoing. So, and a lot of you guys are liking this, but I have had a couple bad comments that people are like, oh yeah, you're a hoarder. No, a hoarder, if you guys look at a hoarder is a person who can't throw anything away, literally cannot throw anything away. They have like no room to walk, nothing. I'm willing to get rid of it. It's just, I might not be able to get rid of it today, but I am going to get rid of it soon. So I'm slowly getting rid of stuff. It just takes time. As you guys know, we did get rid of a couple things, and so what I've been doing is there is a local thing on my Facebook that sells stuff. So I've been slowly selling things on there. Some of it's just random, some of it I'm just selling just to get rid of. But what we're actually just started doing is everything that we just get rid of to sell, I'm putting in a little envelope, and all the money that we gather up from selling my stuff, not my stockpile, but just my stuff, we're gonna go on like a little mini road trip, maybe stay at a hotel. So far we sold our table. Yeah, I sold it for like 20 bucks. I don't care. I wanted to get rid of it. We sold a drying rack. I sold a couple of my collectibles, and I'm selling some other stuff. So I told the husband, I says, let's save it, put it in an envelope, and we'll save it to go stay at a hotel someplace with a water park for Ben. So that's what I want to do sometime before the baby's born. I know I can't do a lot of stuff, but there's that. My husband has been helping me. I'm not doing a lot of this. He's doing a lot of the lifting and carrying stuff. I'm just going through stuff. But what we're running into is this, and this is what's hard for me is I have ADD. My husband has ADD. So it's hard for us to get rid of stuff because we'll just like, oh, we'll just put it somewhere else and go through it later. We'll go through it later. And that's what got me in trouble the first time. So I'm ready to show you guys my basement tour. We did work about 2 hours tonight, otherwise we really haven't been doing very much this week, but I did want to share with you guys something of progress at what we're doing. But we're just doing little by little. I'm not in a hurry to really do this. It takes me a while to get rid of stuff, but I think I want to start her room just so I can kind of get that started. But let's get ready for the basement tour. So here is my basement. Now this area, you guys, is a mess, and the reason is because while we're down here, Benjamin is down here, and Benjamin makes a mess with the toys while we're going through stuff. So this area doesn't bother me. A lot of it's toys. One of the toy boxes is actually going to go in his room, and the other one's going to go in her room. We just need to get rid of some toys, but I'm not planning on doing that at all for a while. I think when I'm on maternity leave, I will actually have ambition to get rid of stuff, because I will be taking off like 2 months off of maternity leave. So right now I could care less about toys unless it's the obvious thing, but I'm slowly want to go through the toys, but I am not ready to go get rid of that stuff yet. So there is that. Like I said, it's messy down here because we've been watching TV as we you know, clean and stuff. But a lot of you guys wanted to know about my boxes. Now I have a coworker who likes to buy boxes from me. He likes to support his family, and they don't get a lot of stuff, so they really like getting boxes from me. I used to charge about $20 a box, but now with me cutting back on couponing and not getting as much deals, and with the limits and stuff, I kind of went to $25. So depending on what is it, or what items I give him, I charge about $25 for him and my friends and family for a bunch of stuff. Now we're not fully finished, but there is a ton of stuff in here. I mean, we got body wash. They didn't need any feminine products, and they didn't want any razors, otherwise I would love to give that to them. But I'm giving them like laundry detergent, you know, scope, toothbrush. I will be giving them a lot more paper products. We just kind of just grabbed whatever. We're getting him some food and stuff, some medicines, toilet cleaner, makeup. So this is the stuff he's going to buy. He pays about $25 a box, which I think is a pretty good deal. I mean, if you think about it, that's like $75 for three boxes. Then you probably get a couple $100 worth of stuff. So there is that. This is something I packed for him. Now these are boxes we're going to post online. I'm still going to fill up some more. We're just slowly doing it. But I usually sell about 4 to 6 of these boxes at a time. I'm slowly trying to get rid of my stockpile. My husband has a hard time trying to get rid of stuff because he's like, oh, I want to use that. Well, then use it. And it doesn't get used, and it just sits there. But I'm trying to get rid of stuff. It's a little bit hard. You know, sometimes it's hard to get rid of your stockpile. It's easier if I have a garage sale because I can just sell it all at once. But what I'm going to do is sell these boxes for about $30 or $35 a piece. They usually sell within a couple minutes. What I do is I lay everything out on a table, take a picture of everything in the box, and then we write box A or box B, and then the people come and get it. So that's what we're doing for that. But we're slowly working on it. I'm working on gathering all my ribbons and my deco mesh. I got so much stuff. I don't want to sell it. I actually want to start making more wreaths later on. So I'm just going to keep that stuff. That's the one craft I actually want to keep. But I do have other crafts I want to get rid of. But I will get rid of those. It's just, I'm not trying to do everything. Now all the boxes I showed you guys in this room, this is what we're going to do soon. We're going to do this soon. Now this is my crazy, like, this is my stockpile area. We're slowly emptying it. But I got boxes up here that I don't even, of craft supplies that I don't use. I want to get them out of here. My goal is to get rid of about half of these boxes. Half of them. And I'm going to. It's just, it takes time. It takes time. But I don't want to overwhelm myself. I can already feel like, I'm like, come on, I can't do this, I can't do this. But that's what I want to work on next, so we can put some of these boxes in this room. So we're working on it. It just slowly takes time. Now this is stuff we've gone through. Some of this is food. Sorry, my son's like rolling toys upstairs. This is stuff we've gone. Oh, this is stuff we've gone through. But we keep going back. Oh, we'll come back, we'll come back, we'll come back. We haven't come back yet. So I will be going through this. This will be gone down a little bit. But we did clean up my area where I do my videos. My table needs to be cleaned up just a little bit more. But we did clean up all behind here, which is a huge progress. I did straighten up this area. And then we ended up taking the table that was right here with a whole bunch of crap on, and we put it right here. So here's my son's little table with his chair. This is going to be just boxes that are always going to be empty. So when I do my videos, I just put the crap in here, and then we'll just take it out and put it away right away. All these boxes right here are stuff that we have to donate. Those two are empty, but all these boxes are stuff that we're going to drop off at a shelter or whatever. But I just don't want to be running to like it's not a Goodwill, it's called St. Vincent's is what it's called. I just don't want to be running there every single week to drop stuff off. So we're going to probably wait until we have a van load. But all this is stuff to donate. This is stuff I'm overwhelmed. My husband likes to keep stuff, and I've had it. So I'm hoping to go through this sometime because I want to put books here. I do. So that's another thing. But we did clear up this area right here. This was about 2 boxes deep. So we got a bunch of that stuff. Some of these boxes are not even filled to the brim, but we do label them. That's how I organize. This is my stockpile area. But this is how I organize stuff. A lot of you guys saw this before, but this is how I want to keep it. I have more of these stickers, but I want to label them because they're easier to see. But, I mean, this is all Band-Aids. It's all first aid stuff. Makeup, razors, toothbrushes. And what's funny is, like, I can just slide it right through the hole. I don't have to take the box off. So, we're slowly organizing this stuff. So, it takes a while. It does take a while, but this is what we're going to do. And just keep this permanently here. So, we're just going to kind of really push getting rid of my stockpile stuff. I got 3 boxes of school supplies. I need to go through it. I know to donate it to a school, but not all schools take that stuff. So I'm about to be like, yo, all this for so much money. And I know I'll get hate for people that I try to sell for, but not everybody wants to take that stuff for donations. So I'm just like, here we go. So I just need to get rid of it. I bought it like 2 years ago at 90% off, and I bought way too much school supplies, and yeah, I can always get it from couponing. So that is it. So that is a tour of my basement. Doesn't look like I've done much, but we have gotten rid of everything. We have recycling that comes every other week. That thing is filled to the brim. We have garbage that comes every week, and we probably have about 10 to 15 garbage bags of garbage. That's just, not everything's from in the basement, but it is from other places throughout the house. But we are getting rid of garbage. My husband has a tendency of keeping things and then just puts it somewhere, and it's like, we gotta throw it away. We gotta throw it away. So it is slowly getting there. But yes, so just wanted to keep you guys updated on the basement. I will be working on her room in the near future videos, and I also will be working on my bedroom. Yes, I will take you guys through a house tour sometime in the near future. But I have so much clothes. I don't have like a lot of clothes, but I have a lot of clothes that I want to get rid of. I don't wear them. I can't fit into them. Like, I keep thinking, oh, I'll lose the weight. I'll lose the weight. I haven't. I mean, I've gained 50 pounds since I've had Ben. Yeah. And I keep having all these outfits for like when I want to go out drinking. Well, I don't drink anymore. I really am not a drinker. I don't go out to the bars. I don't go out to have fun. So I want to get rid of that. So I'm going to show you guys another video of my bedroom and cleaning up for that. So this is just a whole, you know, decluttering, cleanup thing. And I know a lot of you guys are getting motivation for this, which is awesome. Because this is the only way I'm motivating myself, is doing this video and motivating myself to show you guys. But I wanted to share with you guys this. I hope you guys enjoy it. Sorry for the long video. I just wanted to share with you guys what is going on. I'm getting a little bit overworked, but I just need to do a little bit at a time, and that's what I've been doing. But I work better with my husband. I might have somebody else help me with this, but I've never really dealt with anxiety before, but I think I'm actually having anxiety. but I'd rather just do it at my own pace with my husband. So slowly working on it, slowly working on it. I'm not in a rush. If it doesn't happen in 3 months, it doesn't happen in 3 months. But hey, I got a lot done than what it used to be. So again, you guys, thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys all next week for another tour of the basement and possibly her room. It's probably going to be the basement and her room because, yeah, I want to start getting her nursery ready. I want to get that all figured out because you never know when she's coming. I got less than 4 months left to go. Doctor said she could come early. We'll see. So, yes, thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all next week for another basement tour or a declutter tour or whatever I call this. See you guys later. Bye-bye.